Hello traders. In today's video, we are going to talk about trend line, how to draw trend line from the bearish trend line, the bullish trend line. So I will show you how to use it to trade. So, we have different strategy. There are some traders who trade only trend lines. Okay. So while other people, some traders also trade support and resistance, some trade double top, flag pattern, different strategy. We have a lot of them. But in this particular video, I am going to show you how to trade trend line strategy. Just what trend line of our time. Let's dive into the chart. All right, welcome back. So right now, if you want to draw a trend line, so you must follow what? A trend. It might be bullish trend, it might be bearish trend. So any of this, you must follow it. Okay. So let's say, for example, we have a bullish trend moving to the upper side. We have a push to the upside, then a retracement, a pullback, a retracement, a pullback, a retracement again. So now we have been breaking structures to the upper side. So now you want to establish your trend. The first way to establish your trend is the beginning of the movement. So this is the beginning of the movement. You put your drawing here. This is the first touch. Then you stretch. All right. So for us to have a valid trend line, you must have two touches first to have what? A valid trend line. So right now we have a valid trend line here. Okay. Why? We have two touches already. So we have touch 1 here and then touch 2 here. So what we are going to be doing, we'll be waiting for touch 3 to establish. So when that touch 3 established, that is when we are going to take advantage of the trade. All right. So let's say, for example, the touch 3 is coming towards here. Then once you have your touch 3, the only thing you have to do is to what? Watch out for your confluence, your confirmation, and other criteria that you need before placing your buy or placing your what? Your trade. So now, once you find out that you have your confirmation and all, then you put your risk reward tools, that you stretch your stop loss will be below the trend line. Then while your take profit will be the next resistance level. Okay. So now let me draw the bearish one. So we have the bearish trend line like this. We have the bearish trend line. Remember, for us to have a valid trend line, you must do what? Have two touches. For us to have what? A valid trend line, you must what? Have what? Two touches. So now we have touch 1 here, touch 2, that we are waiting for what? Touch 3 to come in play. So once price moves into this level, that is when you have to look at, you'll be looking out to place a sell trade with your confluence and your confirmation. Then your risk reward would be above the trend line. While your take profit will be the next support level. All right. So let's go into the chart. Let me show you what I'm saying. So now we have what? Arrow GBP here. So this is a bearish trend line. This upper one, this is a bearish trend line. So as you can see, we have what? First touch, second touch, third touch, and what? Fourth. So once price comes into this region, which is the third touch, we have what? Engulfing candle. So you can take advantage of that. Then your stop loss will be back of the trend line, just exactly the way I showed you. So now you take your profit on this level. The reason why I am taking profit on this level is supposed to be here, okay? But the reason is because why? We have the bullish trend line that is going up. So this particular trade that is pulling back now, that is buying, is the third touch of this bullish trend. All right. So now let's say you place your trade here, the price moves into profit and pull back again, give you another confirmation again, that you can add another position from here. Then your stop loss will still be the same. Then you add more position to it. Then you take your profit here. So that means you have two positions that was run. That is massive. Let's say you raise 2% here, 2% here, total of 4%. So for the bullish trend, let me check this. So this is a trade I have been looking at. So I am just waiting for that confirmation to come out there before me placing the buy on this particular trade. So for the bullish trend, we have first touch here, and we have second touch here, and we have the third one here, as you can see. So now I am expecting the closure of this candle, which is about 14 minutes to go. Then I will place a buy on this level and put my stop loss below. So now my take profit should be here, which is 2.2%. But what I'm going to do, I will only extend to make it 3%. And the reason why I am extending it is just for me to have a good risk reward. And remember, price might not break this level because this is a strong level. It might not break it. Okay. But once price gets to this level, I will pay attention to what is going on here. Then if I find out that a confirmation is out there's a reversal candlestick has been formed to drop, then definitely I will close my position with that 2.22%. All right. So this is how to trade trend line. So there are people who just trade only this trendline strategy. So if you like this video and it was helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. I will see you in my next video. Peace.
Wanna clear a bottle of Cabernet. Wanna stay home, not even drink. Wanna get out of my own head. Wanna lay down.